Have you ever stumbled on someone's glowing skin online and asked yourself, what am I really doing? Because that was me a few months back. I genuinely thought all I needed was a few popular products, and somehow I expect that my skin would magically transform overnight. Spoiler alert. My skin did not transform overnight. I made mistakes, wasted money, followed trends, and of course, I learned some lessons the hard way. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to share some of the things I wish someone had told me before I started my skincare journey. If you're new here, my name is Didi Ozo, and on this channel I share lifestyle, beauty, fashion tips, and everyday experiences that helps us grow together. In my last video, I reviewed some skincare products that I've personally used. And while filming that video, I realized that I wish that there are so many things I had known before I started taking skincare seriously. So let's talk about those things. The first point is that more products does not mean that you have better skin. What I mean is that the fact that you have so many products does not mean that you're automatically going to get better results. At one point, I thought that having a 10-step routine meant that I was doing skincare correctly. What happened at the end of the day is that my skin ended up being overwhelmed and my pocket at the same time suffered. Sometimes simplicity works way better than complexity. My point two is that consistency always beats perfection. Hold up. I learned that consistency matters more than having a perfect routine. A simple routine that is done consistently would usually and always outperform any expensive routine that you're changing from time to time. Skincare is definitely not a one-week project. It's a long-term relationship with your skin for you to get the results. My point three here is that you should stop comparing your skin to whatever you see on social media. This one really took me a while to learn because social media would make you feel like everyone out there has a flawless skin. But the sad truth is that what we see online is not always reality. Filters, lightings, editings, and even genetics play a very huge role in whatever it is you see on social media. The moment you stop comparing your skin to everyone else's is the moment you're going to start appreciating your progress. My point four is that not every viral product is meant for you. I have definitely bought products because everyone else was talking about them. Some worked and some didn't. And just because a product is trending doesn't mean that it is the right fit for your skin type. And at the end of the day, learning what my skin actually needs saved me a lot of money and frustration. Point five, progress takes time. I really wish someone had told me that real skincare results takes time. We've gotten so used to seeing dramatic before and after transformation online. But at the end of the day, healthy skin is built through patience and consistency. Sometimes the biggest changes happens gradually. So these and many more are some of the things I wish I knew before I started my skincare journey. I'm still learning, and honestly, I think that skincare is one of those things where we're always discovering what works best for us. I'd love to hear from you. What is one skincare lesson that you've learned that you wish you knew earlier? Let's chat in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video with someone who is just starting their skincare journey. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.